Welcome to my dream app. Today we are going to discuss previous ESET 2020 TS paper. In that, see the first problem. Given a plus b is equal to 1 minus 1 3 0, a minus b is given 2 by 2 matrices, then find ab. 4 options are given. So in this way you have 5 questions from matrices and determinants, okay, which is important chapter. Now from a plus b and a minus b we are going to find ab. That is, first we have to find a and b. By adding these two, a plus b plus a minus b, what you will get here? 1 minus 1 3 0 plus this is 3 1 1 4. b and b cancel. 2a is equal to, add these two, 1 plus 3 4, minus 1 plus 1 0, this is 4, this is also 4. If I divide with the 2, a is equal to 2 0 2 0 2 2, this is a. Similarly, if I subtract a plus b minus a minus half minus plus b, subtracting these two equations, that is 1 minus 1 3 0 minus 3 1 1 4. So a and a cancel. Now you will get 2b. 2b is equal to, subtracting, minus 2 minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1 2, 0 minus 4 minus 4. From this, b is equal to minus 1 divide with 2, minus 1 1 minus 2, this is b. Now just you find AB, product of these two matrices. 2 0 2 2 into minus 1 1 minus 2. What is this? 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 0, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 4, which is minus 2 0 minus 6, minus 2 0 minus 6, which is the third option. This is the first question, okay. So to find AB, you need to find first A and B. After finding AB, just you find the product of AB. See the second problem in the given paper. Second problem is A is given, B is given, A transpose into BA. Now A transpose, what is A transpose? Which is A is given 1 0 2, therefore transpose. Column you write in the row 1 0 2, which is 1 2 3. 1 row 1 column, 2 columns 3 columns, 1 row 3 column. What is B? B is given 1 minus 1 0 0 2 3 4 0 minus 1. Now he is asking to find A transpose B A. This is 3 by 3 matrix. What is A? A is the column matrix 1 0 2, which is 3 rows 1 column. If I take A transpose, just you observe, I am writing the order 1 by 3. This is 3 by 3. What is this? 3 by 1. Therefore you will get the resultant matrix is of order 1 by 1. In the options, if you observe, first option is 1 by 1, second option is 1 by 1, third option is 3 by 3, fourth option is 3 by 3. Therefore these two are wrong. We can eliminate 2 options directly. Third option, fourth option wrong. Only we have to check whether it is first option or second option. For that, what I am doing is A transpose into A transpose into B I am finding first, which is 1 0 2 into 1 minus 1 0 0 2 3 4 0 minus 1. First row with first column, only you will get 1 row, but 3 columns you will get. First row, first column, 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 4, 8. First row, first column completed. First row, second column, 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 0. Next third column, 1 into 0 plus 0 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. This is A transpose into B, which is 9 minus 1 minus 2. Now A transpose B into, now I am multiplying with A. This is 9 minus 1 minus 2 and A is 1 0 2. That is one row, one column. First row multiply with first column. 9 into 1 9 plus 0 minus 4, which is equal to 5. That is the first option in the given key. So this is the first option. Okay, see the next problem. Third problem, that is based on determinants. Matrices given 2 problems, and now third problem is determinants. What is the given? Determinant of x minus y, y minus z, z minus x, p minus q, q minus p, q minus r, r minus p. This is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Determinant means value. That values are given 1, 2, 0, some x, y, z, minus p, q, r plus a, b. This is the first row, second row, third row. First column, second column, third column. In the determinant, you can change the rows and columns. Now I am writing the first row is replaced by first row adding second row and third row. I am replacing the first row by R1 plus R2 plus R3. What is the, by adding all these 3 rows means this, x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x, like this. X minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. What will get? Minus x plus x minus y plus y minus z plus z cancel. Similarly, second column also 0, third column also 0. So y minus z, z minus x, q minus r, r minus p, b minus c, c minus a. The determinant value is 0 since first row completely 0. If any row or any column is 0, then the value of the determinant is 0. See the next fourth problem, which is also given from the determinants. So what is the given? The solution of 5 minus x, 1 minus 3x, 1 minus x, 4, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5 is equal to 0. Solution means what? We have to find the value of x which satisfies the determinant 0. So for that, the best method is you have to verify the options. Option verification. Option verification. Where you will get determinant is 0, I am verifying. First option x is equal to 1, I am substituting in the determinant. 5 minus 1, 4, 4, 3. Thus, if I substitute 1, minus 2, 7, 6, 1 minus 1, 0, 6, 5. We will find the determinant. What is the determinant? 4 into 7 into 5, 35, minus 6 into 6, 36. Second term minus 2 into 5, minus 10 minus 0, plus 3 into minus 12 minus 0, minus 12 minus 0. This is 4 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 10, minus 36. Okay, minus 4 plus 40 minus 36, minus 36 minus 4 minus 40 plus 40, which is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 satisfied the given equation. Therefore, x is equal to 1 is the root of the given equation or solution of the given determinant or solution of the given equation. That is the x value 1. See the next problem, fifth problem, which is also given from the matrices. That means total 5 questions we will ask from the matrices. The inverse of A is equal to A plus IB minus C plus ID, C plus ID, A minus IB. For this, we have to find the inverse. It is the given 2 by 2 matrix like this. A is equal to A, B, C, D. Actually, what is the inverse formula? Adjoint A by det A. That directly I am writing A inverse formula for 2 by 2. You have to remember determinant is AD minus BC into adjoint D minus B minus C A. Now see here, A is equal to A, B, C, D, then inverse is this. This element is A, B, C, D. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 by AD, multiply these two. A plus ID, IB into A minus IB minus BC, that is C plus ID into minus C minus ID into determinant, that is the matrices is D, A minus IB, minus B means opposite side, minus C minus ID, this is C minus ID, this is A plus IB, that is A. Now you observe this, 1 by A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, A square minus B square, which is, what you will get, see? This is A square minus B square, minus I square is plus B square minus C square minus D square. Therefore, this is 1 by A square plus B square plus C square plus D square into A minus IB minus C minus ID, C minus ID, A plus IB. But given A square plus B square plus C square plus D square is equal to 1 in the given problem. Therefore, A inverse is equal to A minus IB, C minus ID, minus C minus ID, A plus IB. In this, while multiplying I into I square is equal to minus 1. Remember, this is the complex numbers. Therefore, this option is the right answer. Okay, second option. Now see one more problem, which is the sixth problem in the given exam, in the given paper. Sixth problem, that is from partial fractions. This is also one simple chapter. You will get one partial fractions problem, that is x square by x square minus 3x plus 2. Here fractions are two types. One is proper fraction, improper fraction. Whenever numerator power is less than denominator power, numerator power less than denominator power, then it is called proper fraction. Whenever if numerator is greater than or equal to denominator powers, then it is improper fraction. Improper. But always he will give the proper, but this time he asks improper fraction. Whenever if it is improper fraction, first of all, x square by x square minus 3x plus 2, denominator factors, if I write this, x minus 1 into x minus 2. These are the factors. Therefore, this can be written as x square by x minus 1 into x minus 2. In the improper fraction, if numerator and denominator powers are equal, then you have to write the ratio of the coefficients first. X square coefficient in this x square coefficient. 1 by 1 plus, now write the fractions, partial fractions, whenever if it is in the proper fractions. X minus 1 linear factor, x minus 2 linear factor. For every linear factor you have to write one constant. A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Okay. Now you can write, you can find a and b values using one simple method, which is, see here, I will give you one shortcut method. Actually, by taking LCM and equating x square term, x term, or substitution of x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. Instead of that, whenever, see the shortcut method for this. To find a value in the given, substitute in this, substitute x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, we have to substitute. That is in the numerator 1 square. Don't substitute in the x minus 1. You substitute in this. That is 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. For b, put x is equal to 2. Why? Because x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now if I substitute in this, 2 square 4 by, substitute in this, 2 minus 1 1, don't substitute in this, that is 4. Therefore partial fractions are 1 plus a is minus 1 by x minus 1 plus b is 4 by x minus 2. Therefore the option is, which is 4 by, this option is right, but it is minus 1. So this is minus 1, not plus 1. Plus, okay.